Hi there! Today we are going to make an oil can. So let's see. Here is the oil can. We have 4 steps right here and we are going to start making this in a rectangle. Well, at first, let's take our scale and start making a rectangle. You can also start by making these lines if you're comfortable. Let's make these lines at first. And after that, start by making the top part or the knob of it. Yes, this needs to be inside this particular rectangle which we have made right here. After that, we are going to make a curve and make it curved from the corners as well. Now let's make this shape in the middle. We are going to make a standing line, then a little bit of a curved line, and then a sleeping line to join it. Let's make this curve here and then make sleeping lines inside. This is brilliant! We can also make these standing lines for the cap right here. Why don't we write oil here? Which is going to be with a drop on top of the letter L. Go very slow while making this and then make a wave at the bottom. This is lovely. Let's make this compartment right here. This looks great. Do you have a black sketch pen to sketch this now? Well, that's amazing. Be very careful while sketching as we have a lot of rough parts here. You can also erase it first and then start sketching if you are confused. Start by sketching slowly and complete the entire oil can in a similar way. You are free to move your book however you want on top of your table. It is advisable to have both your hands on top of the table, especially the one which you are making your drawing with. It needs to rest well with your elbows on the table. Let's go right on top of the pencil marks and then sketch properly. Try and not make a mistake, especially while sketching. Erase this part lightly so that you can see your drawing, but at the same time start sketching this with a red pen. This is a very thin figure and we won't be able to do this with our crayon. Hence, we are using a red sketch pen to make this. Can we make this together? That's lovely. Go very slow while you're making this as this is a very small drawing and we cannot make a mistake in this. This looks very pretty. Can we color the top part with this as well? As the color of the letters and the color of the cap is the same. Let's erase all the extra pencil marks we see. This is lovely. Let's take a very light yellow and start coloring this section. We will do the outline first and then color inside. It is okay if you go on top of the letters as you have made it with a sketch pen now. So there are no chances of the color smudging. Make sure you fill all the white spaces. This is brilliant. Let's take another shade of yellow, which is a little darker, and start coloring this. We are going to keep this middle part empty as that is the handle and that is where the hand goes. Let's do the outline for this one and then start coloring inside. But before that, we are also going to outline the box of oil right here. After that, we are going to color these compartments with yellow color. This is a standing figure. Hence, it is advisable to color this in standing line. And as and when the shape slants, you can also color in slanting line and sleeping line. This is how it's going to be done. This is lovely.